Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of my DIY fall home decor, and I am actually going to be showing you how I made these items. So first I'm just showing you what I used. I have hot glue gun, I have a letter, I have a leaf plate, some pumpkins, and some decorative items. And I'm going to show you what all of this turns into. So first I am just spray painting the letter B, and I'm spray painting the leaf, and then also some leaves, and pretty much everything is getting spray painted gold. Like I said in my first video, a lot of the stuff in my house is teal, gray, or gold, so just so that everything flows together instead of having all of this orange around, I decided to spray paint everything gold so that it matches and just have like orange flowers, as you will see in the end. So yeah, I'm just spray painting everything gold, so you can pick whatever color you like to use. You could do white, you could do black, you could keep it orange, whatever works best for your home. This is just what works best for mine. So although you can't really see, that is the pink pumpkin that I'm spray painting right now that you'll see later. So now I am taking my grapevine wreath, and I am putting the letter B on there. So I'm just using the hot glue gun to make everything stick. And as you see, I'm flipping it over to measure what parts of the letter is actually going to be stuck to the wreath itself, so I know where to place the glue. I used a lot because I want to make sure that it is secure. So I'm kind of going overboard. You could also use like E6000 glue. I know that's a little bit stronger than hot glue gun, but this is what I already had at home. So yeah, I'm just making sure that letter B is secure, pressing it down. And then I decided to just flip the wreath over on the side so that the B is on the ground to put as much weight on it as possible. And then I take the hot glue gun to make sure it's secure. And that is what we do for now. We're going to put the wreath aside and move on to the other projects that we have going on. So here is that pink pumpkin that I was talking about. I spray painted it gold so that it would match. We're going to use this as our centerpiece. So next I am taking these faux flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart, and I'm just making an arrangement. Honestly, this was probably my favorite part of this whole thing, was making the arrangement. I don't know, it's just very relaxing to do. And I've actually heard like people say this before, that like florists, their favorite part is arranging the flowers because it's very relaxing, and it really was. Like, this was the best part of the whole DIY project. So I'm just making it look as full and adjusting it to my liking and seeing what I like, what I don't like. And I love it. It's gorgeous, easy, and literally it was probably like $10 to make this. So yeah, if you need like a centerpiece for your Thanksgiving dinner or just to have on your table, this is a cheap and easy way to do it. So again, I'm just adjusting everything to my liking, making sure everything looks the way that I want it to. And once I have figured out exactly how I want all of the flowers to sit, I move on to the next thing. So next we have this gold vase. It's not gold yet. We have this clear vase that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1, and I'm just taking some different color like strings and I'm wrapping it around. Originally I was just going to do just the strings itself, but then I decided I might as well do some other stuff too. So I'm just alternating the colors. So I have brown, yellow, and red, or brown, orange, and red. So here you could do just like the center, which is originally what I was going to do, or you can do just the top or the bottom, or you can do the whole thing. It is very tedious. It took me a while to do that, but it turned out really pretty. So then I just take the scissors and cut off all of the extra string because I was tying it on there. You could also take like hot glue gun or E6000 glue and just glue the strings on there, but it was just easy to tie it. So then I decided that I wanted to spray paint the bottom of it gold, so that's what I'm doing. Again, everything is gold, but that's what I like. So just do it to your liking. You can keep it plain. You can just do like a center, a strip in the center, or you can do the top or the bottom, whichever one works best for you. I know it probably wasn't a good idea for me to spray paint in the house, but it's cold outside and I didn't want to go outside, so I made it work. So now I'm just taking pieces of leaves. So the flowers that I use in the centerpiece, I popped a couple of the leaves off beforehand, and now I'm just gluing those onto the wreath to kind of make it look a little bit more festive. So the leaves are going to make it look more fall instead of just the grapevine in the letter. So some of the leaves I spray painted gold, some of them I'm just keeping the orange and red colors that they are. So I'm just gluing on some more of those leaves. And then I decided that I didn't just want the leaves, that I wanted to add something else. So then I started adding in some of that string that I used on the vase. First I just did like a cluster of the strings, which is what you see here, and then I decided I didn't really like that look, that it wasn't as neat as I wanted it to be, and that I was worried that it was just going to fall off if I didn't get everything glued on there. So I decided to wrap the string in kind of like this little bow and then put them on there, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just wrapping it into like this little bow and then gluing the bow onto the wreath. And honestly, I think this way was so much better than just the cluster. But that is it. So here I'm showing you the final look on all of the pieces. Here's the wreath hanging on my door. And then here is the vase that I have just sitting by my TV. I dropped one of the pumpkins down in my TV stand with the rest of my stuff. So the gold looks really pretty with the teal. And then here is my leaf on my table to like hold my keys or anything, and the centerpiece. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.